This is episode 2 of Amma's recipes that she wants you to know. This is her peppered cabbage. This recipe would be close to like 40 something years old, she said. Our old neighbor, when we used to live in Sri Lanka, she will be close to 100 years old now, I reckon. She's the one who actually taught my mum how to make this peppered cabbage. When she actually saw my recipe for my tempered cabbage, she said, you actually need to show the people how to make her version of the peppered cabbage. So let's go. Let me show you it's done. Prepare these ingredients if you want to cook with us. These are the ingredients: chopped garlic, chopped onion, and sliced garlic. Now the hero, the cabbage. With the cabbage, we're gonna cut it into a little bit of chunks. We're gonna cut into chunks like this, and then again to the middle. That is the size of cabbage that we're looking for. Four tablespoons of oil, chopped onion and chopped garlic into the oil first, along with cardamom and curry leaves. Garlic, cardamom, curry leaves too. Slice කරපු ලුණු ටික. Garlic. Salt. Turmeric. Crushed pepper එක කොච්චරද? එකක්. I grew up eating this, and it's definitely a winner. So good.